Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from JBL Authentics 200. To disconnect from JBL Authentics 200 on an Android phone, click on it, then go to Product Settings, and here you can click on Restore Factory Settings. To restore factory settings, click on Restore, then this light will turn yellow and it will start restoring. After the restoring, you will hear a sound and you'll be able to connect again. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.